friends, Pam Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions, and today you have quite the treat. My sweet grandbaby doing her quilt as you go. Here we go. Okay, go. Look at you following those lines. Wow. That's amazing. Look at that. Look at you. That's amazing, Carolyn. Good job. Wow. Okay. Oh my word, look at you. Gosh, you're so funny. And how old are you?
6.
You're 6? Oh my gosh. Look at you go. Oh my gosh. That's impressive. And then you have to put yeah, that one's probably done. So let's turn it this way, and then you put the line, oops, turn this around, and you put the line on the other line. Okay, and then put that line, yeah, good job. Let's get it right. Good. That's amazing. Oh my gosh, look at you. Okay. All right, so we got the lines going, so you got to put one of the lines up on whichever one you want. Put it down. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. Follow the line. Stop it, lift it up, raise the needle.
We runs out, Granny.
We ran out?
Yeah, that's why there's a 10.
No, you still got some. There you go.
Yeah.
And there's some in there, remember? You can look in there, Bob, and there's still some there. Okay.
Right there.
Okay.
Look.
Another line.
Okay, still.
Oh my gosh, this is the funniest thing ever. You're so good. Oh, what does that mean? It means that the rethread, you have to rethread it up at the top. Okay, so let's lift it up. You have to lift your foot, lift the foot up and the needle.
What?
Yeah, lift your needle and your foot.
What?
Yeah, that's good. Lift it up.
What?
Yeah, you're doing right. And then what about the needle? The needle must be down, so lift the needle. Yep. Okay, now pull it out. Now you got to rethread it. Okay, so you got the thread. Have to pull it because it's just gone. Okay, so you put it 1, Remember, you hook it under that. Did you hook it under the metal thing? Yeah, you did. Then you go to number 2, number 3, down through that to number 4. And remember, you got to go kind of like to the left and to the right on number 4. Yeah.
I need help.
Okay, on that one you need help?
Yeah.
Okay, so I
Thank you.
think it might be right. We'll see. Number 5. Then you're going to put it under the little lever. Number 6.
Got it.
Go through 7 on top of 6 and on top. Okay, then you go around here and cut it, and then you have to push the button down. Number. Oh! Pull this part of it. Did Grammy pull it out? No, that's right. Okay, so put it between the deals and push it in the back. Remember, put it between the foot and push it in the back. The thread.
I'm just gonna do that.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Oh my gosh. Don't go too far in. Go back to the